Last one we are going to do for functional groups is going to be esters. Esters they're a little bit harder, so we're doing them last. They have a double bonded O, another O, and it's in the middle of a carbon chain. So you've got a carbon chain to the left of the double bonded O, and then you've got a carbon chain to the right of the double bonded O. So for this one, we're really going to have to draw it out and break down the name on this guy. It tends to be a little difficult. So this is 3 carbons in a row. Then you have, so there's a mistake here. You can't have an O double bonded to another O. That violates the octet rule. So I guess I should have just moved that one over. Okay, so it's going to look like this. So there's my O. Then it's going to have an O and then a CH3. So there is my ether or ester. So it's called methyl because this side only is 1 carbon long. And then this part is the propane, and then they added O8 to it, right? But the reason this side gets the ending is because it's 3 carbons long. So that's what makes it a prop. And then having the double bonded O on that side gives it the O8 ending, okay? So because the prop, the 3 in a row, has the double bonded O, it gets the O8. And then because the other side only doesn't have the double bonded O, it just becomes the YL. That's what's a little bit harder about this. So for this next one, believe it or not, whether you did it, you get it right either way. This one is called ethyl ethanoate. But I want to mention this. This part is the ethyl, and then the ethanoate is this part because of that double bonded O. Okay, so condensed would just look like this. And then for the last one, this 1 carbon has the double bonded O, and then this chain of 3 doesn't. So the chain of 3 gets the YL, the double bonded O, gets the O8. So this is going to be called propyl methanoate, because this gets the O8 because of the double bonded O. There we go. And that is everything from Table R. So the thing to remember is you have to be able to take what they give you on Table R. They give you a condensed formula and a name. You're going to want to, if you're having trouble figuring out why it's named the way it is, you are going to want to uncondense it like I've been doing, and then you can break down the name. Figure out why they changed the name from the alkane name, and then they're going to give you something very similar like I've been doing, and then you're just going to have to slightly modify the name to meet the new molecule that's only very mildly different from the one that Table R gave you.